Next machine I'm going to cover is the overhead press. This one predominantly works the muscles in the shoulders. You will get a secondary movement from the triceps, but overall, the primary mover, or the focal muscle on this, is the front of your shoulders or the anterior deltoid. I make my seat adjustment by lifting the seat up and down, make sure it's secure. I want to have a separation between my hands and the handles. The reason for this, if I'm too high with the seat, my first movement right now has to go up and under. That's a lot of pressure on your shoulder. So I want to make sure that that seat allows for that not to happen. So from here, I can have my hands out. And it's like a barbell press to the front, but now it's in a safe version here. So if I press up, my feet are on the ground, secure. I drive up. I can feel this on the front portion of my shoulder. If I want to go with more of a neutral grip, I can work my hands on the inside. And from here, it's going to incorporate a little bit more of the tricep, but you'll still feel it primarily on the front of your shoulders.